Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fantastic way to wake up your backside and put some strength into those mud hole stomping muscles. So basically I want to show you how to wake up your glutes and your hamstrings. This is the perfect antidote to sitting all day and working from home. And what you do is, it's similar but different to a move we've done before. We're going to stand up and we're gonna hinge and shift the weight towards the balls of our feet. We've done this before, but this week, or this time, we are going to try to stretch the hamstrings as we hinge and then use that stretch to snap back or bounce up from the bottom. And if you do this right, you will feel your glutes and your hamstrings go boom. I mean, it's gonna feel powerful and almost good. So basically, we're pulling back a rubber band and releasing it, or we're drawing a bow and releasing it to launch the arrow. So we're gonna launch ourselves from the bottom of the hinge. So what I mean, I'll just try to explain this as I do it and we'll see what happens. So we're going to imagine you're pulling yourself down under resistance. So we're gonna fold at the hips and the butt's gonna go back, the chest stays up, but instead of just folding, we're letting gravity help us fold. We are going to kind of assist gravity, even though we don't need to, by pulling ourselves and elongating the hamstrings as we fold. So we're actively pulling ourselves down, and you're just gonna feel your hamstrings say, hey. And when you get here and they feel like they're gonna pop, you use that tension or that stretch to launch yourself up. That's a lot, I know. But if you get this, you'll know. You'll be like, oh, wow, I've got muscles. So the weight stays over the balls of your feet, and instead of just hinging, which that's a good hinge, we're actively going to imagine that we're just trying to pull, that our chest is being braced and we're trying to pull ourselves down, or we're pushing our butt that way, but pulling ourselves down with strength. So it's not passive, it's using the strength of the hamstrings, lengthening them, staying long. And when you get here, your hamstrings are gonna be like, hey man, what you doing? I'm feeling kind of tight. And when you're gonna take that tension and bounce up. Felt that. All right, now I was talking, so I really didn't shift my weight towards my toes, and I still felt that. But if you shift your weight towards your toes, you'll feel it more. But wait, so here we go. So we're pulling ourselves down under tension. We've got this load here. By the way, this also loads up. You'll feel the back load up too, in a good way. And then when you feel that stretch like you need to let go of the rubber band, you bounce up. And that bounce, you'll feel your hamstrings and glutes go. There is a significant reaction if you get this right. You may have to play with it to feel for it, but when you feel it, you'll know. You'll know. So again, big chest, big butt, pull yourself down as if you're being resisted, and when you feel that tension, use it to launch yourself up. So it's boom. You'll feel it. And so you're trying to, and if you get it just right, you'll feel this moment in the bottom where you change directions, and it's as if the catapult gets set free and your body just pops back up. All right, play with that. If you find it, you gotta let me know. Put a comment section in there, or just tell me, Tim, you are crazy. Still felt like it was a good stretch, but it really didn't do much for me. Or, oh no. I can tell where my mud hole stomping muscles are at, and I know I got glutes or booty. All right, so that's our tip for this week. The anti-sitting in a chair all day at home or in the office, if you're lucky enough to go to the office, stretch and release. Stretch and launch. Launching with power. All right, guys, I'm sorry. We'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.